You know that moment when your curls look mostly fine, but a few random curls are just not cooperating? We have all been there, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix frizzy, weird curls that are just not curling and cooperating like the rest of your hair. Or really just how to refresh any type of curls without having to restyle your entire head of hair because 3 to 7 curls are just a little bit out of whack. We're gonna go through 3 simple hacks that will bring your curls back to life in minutes. So let's get into it. So hack number 1, spot treat them. The first thing I do when I notice any dry or frizzy or weird pieces is I'll spot treat those areas. I do this with a small amount of curl cream. For example, my bangs look pretty dang wonky. They were in a slick back. They just don't look very good, but I like the rest of the way that my hair is styled right now. You can do this to your bangs or any other curls, any place around your head that need a little extra TLC. So let me show you exactly how you relieve your head of this because it's horrible. First up, you need a curl cream. This is the Pattern Styling Cream. Pattern was actually founded by actress Tracee Ellis Ross, and basically her whole goal in creating this product line is to show that hair has no race or gender. It really smells so fresh and clean. Now this curl cream is a nice, juicy curl cream. It's perfect for people who have dry, rough hair like myself. It does have a small amount of protein, but like shea butter is the second ingredient, so it's very moisturizing. It is truly going to give you 0 frizz. So the first thing, like I said, you can do is spot treat, and you can literally just take a dollop of cream. Oh, this stuff is like so thick. It's so nice. My hair is gonna love this. So like literally taking this much, and you can genuinely just put it on any hair that you have that's a little bit dry. And already you can see the curl is starting to form. Put a little bit more on there. And my hair is completely dry right now. I did not add anything to it. And literally look at that, in seconds. That's crazy. That is crazy. In seconds, frizz is gone, curls are reactivated. Like honestly, I would go around like this. Actually insane, and it's not even wet. So you can do that to your bangs or any other random section of hair within your head. Now hack 2 is like that, but it's a little bit more intense for when you really want to reactivate the curl. And that's essentially finger coiling with water and a little bit of cream. So what you're gonna do for this is take another piece and spray that section down with water to make it nice and wet. Then you're gonna take that same type of dollop with the cream, so it's like the same thing as hack 1, but now our hair is wet, so it's gonna curl a little bit better, and it's gonna be a little bit more intense of a refresh. And now you can just kind of leave it like this and scrunch it. I'm gonna finger coil it because it's going to just help the curls reactivate and look way better than they do right now. So when you finger coil, you wanna make sure that you find your natural hair split. So this is kind of splitting up naturally in 3 clumps. So we have clump 1, clump 2, and clump 3. And then you just basically take your 2 pointer fingers and finger coil it around each other. Now it is important to finger coil the right way. So you bring it up to the top, and the way that you can tell that you're going the right way is when you unwind it, if it's curling. So I just did this, that's the wrong way. See how it like immediately went back the other way? I'll show you the wrong way again so you can kind of see. So you go up, this is the wrong way, and then I go around. So see how it's like, it's not taking hold of what I'm trying to do to it. The right and wrong way is going to vary curl to curl. It varies person to person and curl to curl. So that was me letting go with my right hand, and now I'm going to do the same thing, but let go with my left hand, and you'll see how much better it curls. Look at that. So it didn't like flop back the wrong way, didn't go back the wrong way, it just curled literally perfectly. But it's funny because the 2 pieces next to it don't curl that way. The Pattern Curl Cream is literally perfect to do this with because it does have holding ingredients in it. Like it has the ingredients in it to moisturize your hair, but then it also has the holding ingredients that will keep your curls to stay in this shape for a long amount of time. And then yeah, I mean, looking at the ingredient list, it is heavy with moisture. So if your hair is dry, like, yes, you need this. Now, all of the hacks that I mentioned so far use your natural curls to bring back your curl pattern. So I just basically did curl cream on dry hair and curl cream on wet hair. And you can see the difference here, like the wet hair has more definition, the dry hair has less, but still are cute. Now, if you really don't have any time, one thing you can do, which is not your natural curl pattern, but it is definitely an option, is hack number 3, which is to use a curling wand to curl your hair. When you select your curling wand, you wanna find a barrel that kind of matches your curl pattern. So this is the 1/2 inch barrel. They have a lot skinnier barrels. I think they go even down to like 1/8 inch, which is crazy. And then they also have thicker barrels. So depending on your curl pattern, you want to get one that closely matches your curl pattern. So I'm just going to take this piece right here. You can see it straightened out. And then you can just go over it with a little curling wand. Bonus points if you put heat protection on it. I probably actually should have done that. And then you can see it curls and it just kind of looks like your natural curl pattern. It just looks like a little itty bitty curl. You can do this to any curls on your head on wash day, on not wash day, whenever you need to. Now, of course, this is heat. Heat causes damage, so I only do this on special occasions and sparingly, but it is an option, especially if you're somebody who's on the fence about wearing your curls because you don't want to have bad curl days and maybe you're in transition. This is a good option, especially if you use heat protectant, unlike what I just did. Now, you can also, of course, use the pattern curl cream like you would any other curl cream. I'll link a video below on my favorite methods to use leave-in conditioners and curl creams, but boy, does it really work for these little refresh moments when you need them. It's so juicy and moisturizing. I really, really love it. But there you have it. That's 3 ways to easily fix wonky curls. All 3 of those ways take like less than 30 seconds per curl, and you don't have to redo your entire routine. So whether you're refreshing day 2 or day 7 like me, or just fixing a few out of whack pieces, these tips will absolutely save you time and save your curls. Let me know in the comments which trick you like the best and what you're going to try on next wash day. Of course, you can get the pattern styling cream inside of Curls Monthly. And don't forget to share this video with a curly girl who needs it. See you next time.